Just realized did not film an intro to this video at all. So here is putting the T56 in, kinda. All right, putting the flywheel on now. Get the show on the road. Hopefully we can get this thing started tonight and potentially driving. It'd be nice, but never know. Could just crossthread these because it's free Loctite, but I did already pay for it, so I'm going to use it. Alright, now we'll go up to 35. Now, 74. Alright, now let's brush that on. Alright, now bring it down. That's okay. Alright. So, as you can tell, we had a couple issues there. Figure out what that was, I'm going to tell you. So the noise that you're hearing in that video, after looking through a whole bunch of forums about T56 swaps from 20 or so years ago, something to do with the third gen pedal. I guess the throw is slightly further, so the noise that you're hearing is actually the clutch fork overextending and hitting the pressure plate. So that was solved with a clutch pedal stopper. So now that was figured out, it's time to figure out what the issue was with it getting stuck in fourth. So contacted a couple other people who have done similar swaps, and again, going back to the forums, we found was somehow it got overlooked. The transmission was over tightened to the bell housing, causing the input shaft to bind up. So we backed off the transmission, retorqued everything to spec to the 35 foot-pounds. Now it's great. So I put the MGW short throw shifter in it, and then realized pretty quickly that you have to be a bodybuilder to get into reverse if you don't wire up something for the reverse lockout switch or do the delete, which I purchased one. Amazoning was like $105 or something like that. Got that put in. Still very difficult to get into reverse, but kind of want that. You don't want to accidentally shift from fourth to reverse on the highway. That would be pretty terrible, but it works great, and I don't have to push myself against the door to try to get it into reverse. So there's that. The short throw feels great though. I couldn't imagine wanting to use a stock shifter after trying it out. All right, so here's what the throw looks like with the MGW. First, second, third straight up, fourth, fifth, sixth, and that's reverse. And of course had to add the sticker to make it official. So the T56 swap is done. Anybody looking to do it, if you have any questions, let me know. It's still pretty fresh in my mind there, so drop it down below if you need anything. Let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a good one.